Hi everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we will discuss about remainder theorem. If you happen to watch my first video on how to do this one, you would see some similarity on the presentation. So let's have this one. So when you talk about remainder theorem, it is like when we dividing a function by another function, and if we want to identify if it's a factor or not. So the previous video that I created is that it's about factor theorem. So remember, in our factor theorem is that whenever a function f of x was being divided by c, or a function, or that's the value of x of that function, it means at that when you evaluate f of c, that will be equal to 0. So that's a factor theorem. However, when we have now this concept, what if f of c is not equal to 0? Therefore, this is now what we call remainder. So that is now the counterpart. So we have now the remainder theorem. So if it's not equal to 0, it is a remainder. So let me have a function for us to explore. So for example, I have here f of x be equal to x cubed minus 2x plus 7. And then we say that f of x is being divided by x plus 3. Okay, so if we have that, so we have now x plus 3, so let's have some solution about it. So let me just get another color of pen. So first thing that you need to do is that you need to get the value of the x, if that's a linear function. So x plus 3 is equal to 0, so minus 3 both hand side. So we have now x equal to negative 3. So we can now evaluate now our function. So let me go back to a purple pen, like an army, yo. So we have now f of x be equal to x cubed minus 2x plus 7. So we have now our value of x. We need to evaluate that if it's a factor or not. So we could say that f of negative 3 be equal to negative 3 cubed minus 2 times negative 3 plus 7. So f of negative 3 be equal to negative 27 plus 6 plus 7. So we have now f of negative 3 would be equal to negative 27 plus 6, that would be negative 21 plus 7 by process. And then f of negative 3 be equal to negative 21 plus 7, that would be negative 14. So therefore, this is now the thing that we got. F of c is not equal to 0. Therefore, negative 14 is a remainder. So we can now say that, therefore, x plus 3 is not a factor of f of x. So you can conclude that that's now the conclusion that you could say. It's not a factor because it's not equal to 0, and the remainder is negative 14. So that's how you go on with the remainder theorem. I hope you learned something with this one. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.